My name is Miguel Javier Escobar Gordillo. Below I present to you the video towards the description of the word on the description according to the guide. And my family, my wife, by a travel to the end beginning of each year tourist worldwide. My family went to the department of Casanare between months of December and January. In the middle of the plain is war, is people, is culture, and the river for your enjoyment. The family part of the enjoyment in the Casanare. Tourist attraction, Resurgent Park, Museum of the Virgin of Manare, and its rivers. The nocturnal activity is part of the Yopal, city of Yopal. To travel to Casanare, I recommend that you do not exceed the speed. If you bathe in the rivers, be very careful while the water currents. Visitors enjoy its gastronomy. Be careful while sunny days. Wear a head protector. Hydrate a lot. Our country is very beautiful. Let's first meet Colombia, Tyrol and companies. Thank you.